What separates average leaders from the great ones? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's their habits. In this video, we're breaking down 4 essential habits that will transform you into a stronger, more effective leader. So if you're ready to level up, stick around and let's get into it. First up is daily reflection and self-awareness. I know, it's not. Great leaders don't just go through the motions. They take time to assess their performance. Think about your decisions, your actions, and interactions. What went well? What could have been better? Know your strengths and weaknesses. Understand your leadership style and how it impacts others. This habit keeps you grounded and constantly improving. The best leaders aren't perfect, but they are self-aware. When you know what you need to work on, you can actually get better. It's simple as that. Habit number 2 is consistent communication. Look, if your team doesn't know what's expected of them, how can they succeed? Here's what you need to do. You need to be clear about your goals, the deadlines, the challenges. No one likes surprises when it comes to work. You need to check in regularly. Don't just show up when there's a problem. Make communication a habit. Know that consistency builds trust. And trust, that's the foundation of great leadership. When your team knows they can count on you for clarity, for guidance, you create an environment where they can thrive. Here's the next thing. You have to take care of yourself. Yeah, you heard me. If you're running on empty, you can't lead effectively. You need to be able to lead by example. So if you want your team to have work-life balance, you need to model it. You need to stay energized and focused. This means managing stress, taking breaks, and not burning yourself out. And you need to be a healthy leader, because a healthy leader is a better leader. Your well-being directly impacts your ability to inspire and to lead. So if you're running on caffeine, that's okay, but with stress, we need to fix that. Your team deserves a leader who actually has the energy to lead. And finally, here's the thing. You've heard it before, but that's because it's true. Never stop learning. The best leaders aren't the ones who think they know everything. They're the ones who stay curious. This means read books, attend seminars, find mentors, whatever works for you. Just keep growing. This means learning from mistakes. Instead of fearing failure, we can use it as a learning tool, no matter what challenges come your way. Listen, leadership, maybe you've heard this, isn't a destination, it's a journey. And there's truth behind those words. You need to keep learning and you'll keep improving. These 4 habits, they're game changers. Great leadership isn't built on talent. It isn't built on luck. It's built on habits. To become a stronger, more effective leader, focus on daily reflection, consistent communication, and prioritizing your well-being while continuously learning. These 4 habits are going to help you grow, build trust, and lead with confidence. And if you're serious about leveling up, check out my Leadership Bootcamp. I dive deep into these habits and more to help you become the best leader you can be. So when you've done that, get your coffee and meet me in this video. Ciao.